Hello, my friends, and welcome back to Zimist Coded. In today's quick tutorial, I'll show you how to add auto numbering to a word table. Perfect for things like invoices or any document where you want a running number column that updates itself. So here's the situation. I've got this invoice open in Microsoft Word, and I want the first column to automatically number each row. That way, anytime I add a new item, the numbering continues without me needing to type it manually. To begin, I'll go ahead and select the cells in the column where I want the numbering to appear. With the cells highlighted, I'll go to the Home tab, and under the Paragraph section, I'll click on Numbering. Now, you'll see some built-in numbering styles. I have a custom style I prefer, one without the period or dot at the end of the number, so I'll go ahead and choose that one. And just like that, the numbering is applied to every selected row. But there's one small issue. The numbers look like they're stuck to the right side of the column. That's because the column width is a bit narrow, and the numbers are getting pushed over. No problem. We can fix that by decreasing the indentation and then centering the text in the column. That instantly makes it look clean and well-aligned. Now here's the best part. If I add more rows to the table, the numbering continues automatically. No need to update anything manually. This is super helpful for documents like invoices, receipts, inventory tables, or any list that needs consistent numbering. And that's it. Quick and simple, but incredibly useful. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe to Zimist Coded, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on future tips like this. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.